Trubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Meghalaya Program for the Rehabilitation of Persons with Disabilities, Lingba Meghalaya State Resource Center on Disability Affairs, Shillong, Batka Office of the Commissioner for the Persons with Disabilities, Kala Plie bat pelat ba ya ke YouTube channel da Menteri Katanat Social Welfare uba kermen shella hakalai terik unok pra arajar arpuar kabelong ru kasi palarkhe garpang ban penkop buram miki bri badan jingduna ha Dkhotmet balatip kum ka International Persons with Disability Day kani ka channel kadai na kabentaban Mynsiem gitu ki badan jingduna ha Dkhotmet bat ru ban ai ki jinghikai ki babun jaj ha kaliang ka kwat kya ka kamai ka kaji khnang man kan tiu ya ki emlang ka salang khamtam gitu ki badan jingduna ha Dkhotmet.
Greetings from the State Resource Center on Disability Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, Shillong. This is to tell everyone that on the 3rd of December 2022, the Office of the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, Government of Meghalaya, and the SRCDA Shillong celebrated and observed the International Day for Persons with Disabilities 2022. And it was on this day that our chief guest, Shri Kirman Shilla, the Honorable Minister in charge of Social Welfare Department, Government of Meghalaya, publicly announced the Meghalaya Program for Rehabilitation of Persons with Disabilities, the Mprpd scheme, to the state and to the nation and to the world. And it was on this day that our Honorable Minister also unveiled the Mprpd YouTube channel. This YouTube channel, the Mprpd channel, will be a platform to showcase the lives of persons with disabilities, entrepreneurs with disabilities, civic bodies, non-governmental organizations that work and advocate for the rights of persons with disabilities. It is in this channel that we would like to invite our friends to bring forward their stories so that their stories, their lives can be seen and heard by the world. So this is a small initiative from the department to call people so that they can bring forward their lives, so that we together can work and tell the world what you are doing and what you can do and how we can help you, and also how the government can intervene for you.